you are watching Keshav Chand Gyan Niketan. In this video, I am going to brief you about the syllabus for class 10th English. As you all know, that during this pandemic COVID-19, we are not having any types of regular classes, and recently it is not visible that we are going to receive any examinations and anything else. But it is essential for us that our learning must be continuous. So that we are here, I am going to brief you your syllabus today. For this, as per the syllabus guided by our board, the Central Board of Secondary Education, we have seen that our book, our syllabus and our question is divided into three parts. Our question is divided into three parts. Section A, which is considered as reading section. Section A, which is considered as reading section. Section B, which is considered as writing and grammar section. And the third part is section C, which is literature section. Now, in this term, we have three parts of the questions. Now, we are having examinations or not, it is not clear, but we need to learn in this pattern. And so that the section A consists of two passages. One passage will be a factual passage, which is totally based on facts, and the second passage will be the discursive passage, which is totally based on the points which you can see that these are the debatable points. For the factual passage, so there are 2 parts, factual, 2 parts of section A, factual and discursive. The factual passage will be of 8 marks and the discursive passage will be of 12 marks. So, the section A, which is the reading section, it totally consists of 20 marks. It consists of 20 marks. Now, our next point is section B, which is writing and grammar. In this section, we shall have 3 points of grammar and 2 points of writing. First, writing, you may have for writing article or letter. This will be your first question, and story. This will be your second question for writing section. These may have alternatives. You can choose either of them in the questions. Now, in the article section, this question will be of 5 marks and the story writing may be of 10 marks. Total 15 marks. But this is the old term. And later on, the grammar portion. There will be 3 questions in grammar portion. That will be gap filling. Editing and omission, sentence reordering. Sentence reordering. This is the three terms, and you may have questions of 4 marks for each. Okay, so it will be now 8 marks, 8 marks, 10 marks, 4 marks, 4 marks, 4 marks. Now it is total of 10 and 18, 10, 12, 30 marks, 20 marks. And now the section C. Section C versus literature section. In this section, you may have questions of 30 marks, and for this you will have to learn 2 books, and first book is First Flight, and second one is Footprints Without Feet. Footprints Without Feet. This is the topic. Now we have one more thing, that for these 3 questions, gap filling, editing and sentence reordering, we may have some topics. For the grammar portion, we have some points, and I am going to note all those points over here. Those points will be tenses, tense, modals, use of passive, use of passive voice, subject verb concord, reporting, means reporting speech, which you all know as narration, clause, determiners, and prepositions. These are the terms which we need to study about in it. So, as you all know, in the previous classes, you might have studied about all these topics, all these terms, but in this class, in these classes, we are going to have an elaborated discussion about all these topics. So, first of all, from tomorrow onwards, from the upcoming videos, I'll provide you the elaborated form of these, whatever you have seen in this video, what you have been looking, what your syllabus says. So stay updated, stay tuned, and please subscribe for further updates. Thank you.